everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great week. I have an unboxing today from Vuitton. Came in a box like this. So let's see what I got. Got my blade. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. If you're returning, thanks so much for your support. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And Happy New Year to everyone. All right, countdown to my birthday, February 2nd. So we'll see what happens. I'll be 60. And when I reach 200 on my subscribers, I'm gonna have a giveaway. So that should be pretty cool. Yeah, what did they put on this? Alright, I guess I gotta put extra tape on it. Oh, I don't know why, but okay, still going. Hey. Oh, what do you gotta be like? A wrestler? Let's see here. Alright, we're in. Yay! Alright, let's see what we have here. This box is huge and okay, so I got a bunch of bubble wrap. Alright. Okay, this is that. Alright, and they gave me a catalog number 11, so I'll be looking forward to looking at that. So that was super nice. Alright, she gave me a shopping bag. Alright, and I got 3 samples, so let's see what I got here. Oh, I got a Sun Song, so I'll be looking forward to trying that. Turbulence. And Orage. This is for my husband, so he'll be happy that he got a sample from Vuitton. So I'll give him that, so he'll be happy about that. And it came in a little wrapping like that, which is kind of nice. And let's go ahead and open it up and see what I got today. Yeah, they wrap it so nice. My new CA, she's pretty nice. Her name is Cheryl. She's in Edmonton. So she's pretty nice. But she was saying regarding the samples that they can only give 2 per transaction or something like that. But I never heard of that. But whatever works. Alright, and this is the new Sables roses that is limited edition. There's the number if you're interested in that, and this is just for my travel kit basically. All right, so that's what I got today in that big box. Yeah, it's either all the way or no way with Vuitton, so I'm just lucky to be able to get anything, basically. Alright, so that's my unboxing for today. If you have any questions or anything like that, please leave them in the comments. And make sure that you hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on all the videos. And normally I send out a video at least once a week, sometimes twice, but normally it's once. Alright, well I hope everybody's going to have a great weekend. And until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.